Hi everybody. It's quite a warm day here today. I've just gotten back from our local community nursery. They provide bush tucker and native plants particularly suited to this area. So I've been down there collecting a few bush tucker plants and just a few natives to go into our bush tucker section of our food forest. You can just see behind me here. This is our bush tucker section. So today going in we have a grass tree. We also have, what's this one? A native plum. This one grows to be about 3 meters high and the little plum fruits are edible. We also have this one here. This is a Darwinia Mount Birdette, which is a shrub. This is just quite an attractive plant. Unfortunately, it's one that is actually becoming quite rare to find in nature, and I do like to plant in our bush garden things that are getting harder and harder to actually find out in nature, and try and help keep them around for the species that actually need them to survive. Another one that we have that is getting quite difficult to find, if I can get it out of the basket, is this one here. So this is a ground cover, and this is called snake plant, and this forms quite a large ground cover, so it's going to be perfect in the bush garden to help retain moisture. And I've actually got 2 of those. And we've got our other one here. We also have this beauty, and I've already got one of these in another section of the garden. So this is our berry salt bush. So this is usually a coastal plant, but it also grows really well here, and it has bright little red berries on it when it fruits, and they are edible. And I don't know if you can see just this little section here where my fingers are. We just have some flower buds just starting to form, so hopefully we might even get some berries off that one this year. I also have this beauty, which is quite a hefty plant, and this is a barrier salt bush. So again, another coastal plant, but actually does grow quite well here, and is really good for nitrogen fixing. I've also got a couple of these to go along our fence line. So this is actually the Australian Bluebell, and it's a climber, and again it has a fruit on it that can be eaten. It's also quite a good plant for the pollinators. The butterflies and the bees all love it, and I've got 2 of those to go in. And if you have a look at this one, I don't know if you can just see, there's one of the flowers. It's quite pretty little flowers on it. I've also got some turmeric and ginger bulbs to go in down underneath our oak tree. We're creating sort of a semi-tropical kind of look down underneath the oak tree. Not a lot of other things sort of will grow in under there, so we figured that we would try some of the bulb type things. So that's our little turmeric. I've got 2 pieces like that, and the ginger, and as you can see right on the tips there, there's a few little sprouts just starting to form, so hopefully we'll get a plant from that one. And they've just come from our local farmers market, so they're pretty freshly dug up, so hopefully putting them back in the ground now will allow them to take off. So anyway, off to go and put some bush tucker in the ground. See you later.